Today, we're diving into the world of command prompt, showcasing the most powerful CMD commands that every Windows user must know in 2024. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these commands will help you unleash the full potential of your Windows machine. So let's get started. But first, for those who might not know, Command Prompt, also known as CMD, is a powerful tool built into Windows that allows you to perform various tasks using text-based commands. It's like the control center of your system where you can do everything from basic file operations to advanced system configurations. And today, we're going to explore some of its most potent commands. First up, we have ipconfig. This command is your go-to tool for checking and managing network settings. Whether you need to find your IP address, flush DNS, or renew your IP lease, ipconfig has got you covered. Let's take a look at how it works. Simply open command prompt and type ipconfig followed by enter. You'll see a list of information about your network connections, including your IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, and more. This can be incredibly useful for troubleshooting network issues or configuring your network settings. Next up, we have a command that's essential for anyone who wants to manage files and directories like a pro. Say hello to dir, the command that lets you list the contents of a directory, whether you need to see what files are in a folder, check their sizes, or find a specific file. dir is your best friend. To use it, simply type dir followed by the part of the directory you want to list. For example, dir c contacts will show you the contents of contacts folder on your C drive. You can also use various options with dir to customize the output, such as sorting files by size or filtering by extension. Moving on to our next command, we have one that's perfect for those times when you need to quickly troubleshoot system issues. Introducing SFC Scan Now, the system file checker. This command scans your system for corrupt or missing system files and repairs them automatically. It's like having a built-in mechanic for your Windows installation. To run it, simply open command prompt as an administrator and type sfc/scan now. Then hit scan. May take some time to complete, but once it's done, any issues with your system files should be resolved. And there you have it, folks. 3 powerful CMD commands that every Windows user should know in 2024. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. So use these commands wisely. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up.